Are you familiar with the circadian rhythm? Your circadian rhythm helps control your daily schedule for sleep and wakefulness. This rhythm is tied to your 24-hour body clock, and most living things have one. Your circadian rhythm is influenced by outside things like light and dark, as well as other factors. Your brain receives signals based on your environment and activates certain hormones, alters your body temperature, and regulates your metabolism to keep you alert or draw you to sleep. Some may experience disruptions to their circadian rhythm because of external factors or sleep disorders. Maintaining healthy habits can help you respond better to this natural rhythm of your body. So, how does it work? There are several components that make up your body's circadian rhythm. It is one of 4 biological rhythms in the body. First, cells in your brain respond to light and dark. Your eyes capture such changes in the environment and then send signals to different cells about when it's time to be sleepy or awake. Those cells then send more signals to other parts of the brain that activate other functions that make you more tired or alert. Hormones like melatonin and cortisol may increase or decrease as part of your circadian rhythm. Melatonin is a hormone that makes you sleepy, and your body releases more of it at night and suppresses it during the day. Cortisol can make you more alert, and your body produces more of it in the morning. Body temperature and metabolism are also part of your circadian rhythm. Your temperature drops when you sleep, and rises during waking hours. Additionally, your metabolism works at different rates throughout the day. Which other factors influence the circadian rhythm? Your rhythm may adjust based on your work hours, physical activity, and additional habits or lifestyle choices. Age is another factor that influences your circadian rhythm. Infants, teens, and adults all experience circadian rhythms differently. Newborns do not have a circadian rhythm developed until they are a few months old. This can cause their sleeping patterns to be erratic in the first days, weeks, and months of their lives. Their circadian rhythm develops as they adapt to the environment and experience changes to their bodies. Babies begin to release melatonin when they are about 3 months old, and the hormone cortisol develops from 2 months to 9 months old. Toddlers and children have a fairly regulated sleep schedule once their circadian rhythm and corresponding body functions mature. Children need about 9 or 10 hours of sleep a night. Teenagers experience a shift in their circadian rhythm known as sleep phase delay. Unlike in their childhood years with early bedtimes around 8 or 9 p.m., teenagers may not get tired until much later in the night. Melatonin may not rise until closer to 10 or 11 p.m. or even later. That shift also results in a teenager's need to sleep later in the morning. Their peak sleepy hours at night are from 3 a.m. to 7 a.m., or may even be later, but they still need the same amount of sleep as children. Adults, however, should have a pretty consistent circadian rhythm if they practice healthy habits. Their bedtimes and wake times should remain stable if they follow a fairly regular schedule and aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. Adults likely get sleepy well before midnight, as melatonin releases into their bodies. They reach their most tired phases of the day from 2 to 4 a.m. and 1 to 3 p.m. Older adults may notice their circadian rhythm changes with age, and they begin to go to bed earlier than they used to and wake in the early hours of the morning. In general, this is a normal part of aging. Sometimes it is not possible to follow your circadian rhythm, and your lifestyle needs an internal clock clash. This can occur because of overnight or off-hours work shifts that go against the natural light and dark times of the day. So how do you reset your rhythm? You may experience disruptions to your circadian rhythm, but you can get it back on track. Here are some tips for promoting a healthy 24-hour schedule. Try to adhere to a routine each day. Spend time outdoors when the sun is up, to boost your wakefulness. Get enough daily exercise. 20 or more minutes of aerobic exercise is generally recommended. Sleep in an environment that promotes rest with proper lighting, a comfortable temperature, and a supportive mattress. Avoid alcohol, caffeine, and nicotine in the evenings. Power down your screens well before bedtime and try engaging in something analog, such as reading a book or meditating. Do not nap late in the afternoon or evening. Are you enjoying the video so far? If so, hit the like button and share it with your friends. It really helps the channel, and we have much more healthy content. Where this came from. Sometimes alterations to your circadian rhythm may be the sign of a more serious condition like a sleep disorder. Two of these disorders are the advanced sleep phase and delayed sleep phase. You may be more susceptible to these if you work an irregular shift, are blind, or are a teenager or older adult. Delayed sleep phase disorder occurs when you go to bed and awaken 2 hours or more after most people. You may think of yourself as a night owl. Teenagers and young adults are more prone to this condition. Advanced sleep phase disorder is the opposite of delayed sleep phase disorder. You actually fall asleep a few hours before most people and then awaken very early in the morning. Disorders related to your circadian rhythm may result in having difficulty falling asleep at night, waking frequently throughout the night, and waking and not being able to go back to sleep in the middle of the night. Symptoms related to these conditions include insomnia, sleep loss, problems waking in the morning, tiredness throughout the day, depression or stress. Treating these conditions may include a variety of approaches. Set a more regular schedule. Use light therapy. Take medications or supplements like melatonin to fall asleep more easily. Try an intentional shift in your sleep implemented over several days or weeks. Maintaining your circadian rhythm is vital to your health. If you experience a disruption to your circadian rhythm and struggle to get the proper amount of sleep, you may experience both short-term and long-term consequences to your health. Disruption to your circadian rhythm can cause health conditions in several parts of the body in the long term. This includes your organs, cardiovascular system, metabolism, gastrointestinal system, and even your skin. You may be more susceptible to diabetes, obesity, and mental health conditions as well. Short-term disruptions to your circadian rhythm may result in problems with memory or lack of energy. It may also take longer to heal an injury if you don't get enough sleep. There are several reasons you may want to talk to a doctor about an issue with your circadian rhythm. If you experience one of these issues for a prolonged period, consider making a doctor's appointment. Have trouble achieving adequate sleep every night. Cannot fall asleep easily. Awaken several times a night and fail to get quality sleep. Have trouble waking up. Feel extremely tired during waking hours. Your circadian rhythm is your body's natural way of keeping to its 24-hour body clock, helping your body operate on a healthy sleep-wake schedule. Living a healthy, active lifestyle that promotes proper rest will help you maintain this important component of your body. Reach out to your doctor if you experience prolonged difficulties sleeping or extreme fatigue during the day to find out how you can realign with your circadian rhythm and get proper rest. Do you have any of these symptoms? Have you dealt with this in the past? Let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please take a moment to subscribe. Leave a comment with suggestions for future videos. We love giving you actionable health advice and remedies.